All right, welcome back to the next part of how to see the time in German, and that's the 12-hour clock. We'll be continuing with the big hand, that is to determine the minutes, yes? And let's just read up what's written here and try to determine the time. We'll begin from the first clock on the left. It says 5 nach 11. Just like in English, you say 5 past 11. In German, you'll say 5 nach 11. So basically, instead of past, in German, you could say nach, which means after. Yes? Perfect. Similarly, here we have 10 nach 3. Yes? 10 is 10, 10 past 3, or like 10 after 3. Perfect. Yes? Then we move on. We have the clock of Viertel nach 10. Yeah, so what is a Viertel? Like in English, you have a quarter. In German, you have Viertel. So 15 past 10 or quarter past 10. Yes, perfect. Moving forward, you have 20 past 6, which is 20 nach 6. Yes, 20 minutes past 6. Perfect. Now we'll skip this one and we'll talk about this clock right here. It says halb 2. Yes, half 2. What is the meaning of half 2? Is it 2:30? Let's have a look. The clock shows 1:30. That means the meaning of halb 2 is basically half 2. And what is half 2? It's 1:30. So whenever someone asks you to meet at halb 2, halb 3, halb 4, whatever the time it is, it will not be 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, but it will be 1:30, 2:30, 3:30. Why? Halb 2 means half 2, which is 1:30. Yes, halb 3 means half 3, which is 2:30. Yes, halb 4 means half of 4, which is 3:30. So that's the way you would see at all the hours. Whenever there is a halb, you will always basically be looking at the hour before it. It's 2, so you'll say 1:30. Yes, perfect. So we'll get back to the clock we skipped. That says 5 vor halb 8. Now we have a new preposition here. For, just like in English, before. Yes, so nach is after, for is before. So here we see 5 before halb 8, half 8. What is half 8? Yes, it is 7:30. Perfect. So 5 minutes before 7:30, as you can see in the clock, it shows 7:25. Perfect. So if someone says, treffen wir uns am 5 vor halb 8, we meet ourselves at 5 before 7:30, it's 7:25. Okay, coming here, it's 5 nach halb 1. Okay, so what is 5 nach? It's 5 after. What is halb 1? Half of 1, which is 12:30. So it's 5 after 12:30. You could see it's 12:35. 5 nach halb 1. Perfect. Moving forward, we have 20 vor 4. 20 is 20. 4 is before. 4 is 4. So 20 before 4. It's basically 3:40. Yes. So the idea is once the minute hand goes past the middle way, that is the 6 minute, the minute hand passes the 6 digit, yes, 30-minute mark, you will start referring in German to the next hour. You will not say es ist 40 Minuten nach 3. You will not say it's 40 minutes after 3. You will say, just like in English, you say 20 minutes to 4. 20 minutes to 4 is like 20 Minuten vor 4. Perfect. Here we have quarter to 8. Yes, so quarter is Viertel, Viertel vor 8. Here we have 10 to 6. It'll be 10 vor 6. Then we have 5 minutes for 12, 5 for 12. Then we have 8 Uhr. Fantastic. Now please remember, these two clocks where we did 5 minutes before 7:30 or we did 5 minutes after 12:30, these are only limited to 5 minutes on the 6 on the 6-digit mark, that's from the 30-minute mark. Either you could go 5 minutes here or you could go 5 minutes there. Not more than that. You can't start saying that as is 10 voor 7:30. No. Then you would rather say that it is basically 7:20, which is 20 voor 20 nach 7. Yes. So it's only for 5 minutes on both the sides of the 30-minute mark that you could refer to the half time and say it's 5 past half time, 5 before half time. Yes. Fantastic. So with these hour hand and minutes hand, we'll be trying to attempt to determine the time in this particular image. Let's see if we can do it. So the first question says, let's have a look here. It says, okay, what is the time? Yes, wie spät ist das? How late it is? Now the first says, you see it's 5 past 10. So you could say it simply as ist 5 nach 10. It could be either before noon, am Vormittag, or it could be in the night or in the evening, to be precise, am Abend. That's what we have written. Yes, es ist 5 nach 7 am Vormittag, am Abend. Moving to the second clock. Now here we have this reference of the midpoint. That means 30 minutes mark. We can refer to it like this. It is 5 minutes before 3:30. How can we say it's 5 minutes before 3:30? Let's write here and find out. So let's make some space and let's write here. So first we'll write 5. Very good. And then we'll write before is 4. Yes. Then we'll write here 3:30. What is 3:30? It's half of 4. So we'll write halb 4. Very good. Now what is it? Is it afternoon? Yes, we could say am Nachmittag, or it could also be in the night. So we'll write in der Nacht. Perfect. Moving on to the next clock, the third clock. It says 10 past 7. So it's pretty easy. We'll simply write wie spät ist das? How late is it? It's 10 past is nach, after. Yes. And 7 is 7. Now it could be in the morning, am Morgen, or it could be in the evening, am Abend. Yes. Perfect. Now we have the fourth clock here. In the fourth clock, let's see what's happening. Okay. Moment. So in the fourth clock, we have basically 20 minutes to 3. Yes, it's 20 minutes to 3. So we could say it like this. 20 vor. It's 20 minutes to 3. 20 vor 3. Yes, 20 vor 3. It could either be in the afternoon, yes, or it could be in the night. So let's do it. We'll say am Nachmittag, or we'll say in der Nacht. Fantastic. Now this one is already done for us. Let's do it again. Now there's a little reference word, kurz. Let's learn it together. Okay. So the idea is we look at the fifth clock in the second row, the first one. It basically shows that the time is 5 past 4:30. Yes, it's between 4 and 5. 5 past 4:30. But then we see that the minute hand is a little after 5 minutes past 4:30. Let's see how we can do that. First, let's say it's 5 minutes past 4:30. How can we say it's 5 minutes past 4:30? We first say 5, that's 5. After is nach. Now, what is it? It's 4:30. 4:30 is half 5. So we could say halb 5. Very good. 5 nach halb 5. Perfect. Now there is a little change here in terms of the minute hand. It's a little after 5 minutes. So we'll say just that. Kurz nach. What is kurz? Kurz is a little and nach is after. So it's like saying a little after 5 minutes past 4:30. Yes. Perfect. And it could either be am Nachmittag or it could be in the night. Perfect. So let's write here in der Nacht. Perfect. So I'm pretty sure the rest of the ones, that's the number. We have 6, 7, 8. You'll be able to do by yourself. Yes, perfect. You could refer the answer book and you'll get the right answers, I'm sure. Follow the rules of the minute hand. Yes, and just remember, when you say halb 5 or halb 6, it's not 5:30 or 6:30. Halb 5 means 4:30, halb 6 means 5:30. Yes, halb 6 is half of 6, halb 5 is half of 5. It applicable to all the hours. Yes, just remember that. Perfect. So thanks for joining in. It's John Berlin signing off till the next lesson.